Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is extra guests. And this question, chef planned a party and expected X people to be present in the party. Like basically invited X number of people in the party, but however, more people than expected turned up. So finally there were Y people in the party. Now chef has to ensure that there's enough food for everyone. And chef has already ordered X plates of food, which where each plate cost 100 rupees. And for each extra guest at the party, chef needs to order one more plate of food, which now costs 150 rupees. Now we need to tell it how much chef must spend in total to cover the food for everyone at the party. So in the input will be given two space separated integers X and Y, where X represents the total number of guests that were invited in the party, and Y represents the number of people who actually showed up. In the output, we just need to print the total cost of all of the food. The constants were given that y will always be bigger than x, and both of these values will be in between 1 and 200. So let's see the first input. Here, there were 5 people invited and 10 people showed up. So for 5 people, chef needs to pay 500 rupees. And for 5 more people which showed up, so he needs to pay 5 into 150, which is 750 rupees. So in total, he needs to pay 1250 rupees. In the second one, he invited just one guy, but 4 people turned up. So he needs to pay 100 plus 150 into 3, that is the 450. So the overall it would be 100 plus 450, that is 550 rupees. So that's pretty much the problem statement. Now for the solution, we're given the total number of people that were invited. We're also given the total number of people that came to the party. Now, how many extra people came to the party? Total minus uninvited. And the answer would be invited into 100 plus extra into 150, right? And that's exactly what we need to do. Now, let's see the solution in Python first. So here, we'll begin by taking an input of the invited comma total using this. So what are we doing here? We're first of all taking an input of the whole unit as a string and splitting it with respect to spaces. So this will give us a list of strings, and we'll convert that list of string into integers and map them inside this using this map function. Now the extra is total minus invited, and our answer is 100 times invited plus 150 times extra. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole solution. In Python, now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking an input of invited comma total using this cin command. Now the extra is total minus invited. Now our answer is nothing but 100 times invited plus 150 times extra. And we need to put it inside this parenthesis so that Fjord is able to evaluate it properly. And that's exactly what we need to print. And yeah, that's exactly the solution in C++. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.